What's up YouTube? I'm Jamie and this is another walk dance. You loved our first series so much, so we wanted to bring you another 20-minute super fun Dua Lipa themed walk dance. Each song is going to have 4 moves and at the end we're going to put them all together for one awesome routine. If you love this workout, check the link in the description, head over to our website and start a 2-week free trial. 2 weeks for free. We stream classes live every single day from the studio, as well as release 2 new on-demand workouts every single month. All right, we're gonna show you some moves slowly, and then we're gonna pick it up a little bit, and then we're gonna go all the way to the top. You can watch me and Ellen and Jana for the highest level each time. We're gonna go right here, right and left. Now cross the body, throw it out, be strong with those arms. Do it again. Yeah. Throw it out. Keep going. Right. Left. Make sure you really open those arms. Good. Step out and out. Cross. We're going to speed it up right after this. 3, 2, 1, go. All right. If you want to take it up a notch, we're going to come right here. Jump, jump, throw, ha, baby, keep on dancing, yeah, throw, yeah. All right, new segment, slow, and then we'll pick it up. Clap, go back for 4, 3, 2, 1, again, yeah, take it back, 4, 3, 2, pick it up. All right, make it even bigger. Keep going. Yeah. Last one. Let's put it together right here. Yeah, we're gonna get it. I want you to do those moves together. You pick the level that you want. All the way to the end. We're right here. Good job. All right, we're gonna walk. She says walk away. We do this. Step, tap, step, tap, step, tap. Roll it back and back. Good job. Nice and slow, one time through. Roll. Now we're gonna speed it up with that walk. Let's go. I want you to have attitude and sass. Just because it's a walking workout doesn't mean it can't be fun. That's why it's called walk dance. Yeah. If you want to pick it up, follow us right here. Yeah. You know how. Let's go. All right. New segment right here. Take it down and back. Now turn it out. If you don't want to turn it, you don't have to. Take it down and back. You can do a grapevine instead of that turn if you want. Speed it up. I'm all good already, so moved on, it's scary. I'm not where you left me at all. Keep this going. So Again. You can follow Angie and Shannon if you don't want to turn. All right, let's make this bigger.
Don't show up, don't come out, don't stop caring about me now. Walk away,
you know how.
Don't stop caring.
All right, we're gonna put it together. Let's jog. Body roll. Turn it out. Jog. Roll it. Take it down. Roll. All right, take a breath. Maybe you just take a little step tap. Think about what that looks like in your brain, because we're gonna do it again. We're gonna start with that jog, and that's where we're gonna end.
Don't show up, don't come out, don't stop caring about me now, walk away,
yeah, roll it back, take it down, keep it going, roll it, yeah, strike a pose. Nice job. All right. All right, we're gonna take it to a grapevine to the right. We're gonna go slow first. We have a little tap back. You'll get it. We're gonna show you slow first. Now you go. Up, 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 up. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7. Speed it up. Go. Yeah. Sometimes it's easier to go fast than slow. But if you want to keep that slower pace, you totally can. We're going to stay right here. Stay with it. Yeah, yeah. Let's go. Nice job, nice job. All right, now we're gonna pull, up, pull, up, pull, circle. Nice job. Right side, pop that hip. Yeah. Up, down. Let's speed this up. Yeah. If you want to take it up, even another notch, watch me right here. Boom, boom. Hup, hup. Keep it going. Last one. All right, slow. I'm going to show you slow right here. Then you go bop, 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 bop. Pull, 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 pull. Around. Around. Okay. Are you ready? Here we go.
I know you're tired trying to figure me out. My name's on the tip of your tongue, keep running your mouth.
Let's go. Tap back.
The recipe, but can't handle my sound, my sound, my sound.
Make it as big as you can. Let's go.
I know you're tired trying to figure me out. My name's on the tip of your tongue, keep running your mouth. You want the recipe, but can't handle my sound, my sound, my sound.
All the way to the end. Let's go. Get that heart rate up there. Remember, you can go low impact right here. Yeah, good job. Woo! This one has the most difficult choreography, so we're gonna go slow a few times, and then we're gonna go over and over. Back, step, bring that back foot forward. That's a Charleston. Again, 1 and 2, back step, step, kick. Nice job. Again, slow. Back, step, kick. Yeah, good job. Like I said, sometimes it's easy to go fast, but I want you to see this footwork. Now we're gonna speed it up. We go. Out, back. Little shuffle, shuffle, back step, kick it. Good job. All right, highest level. Yes, good job. Keep it going. Same thing, keep it going. Yeah, we get to practice this a lot because it is a little tricky, so stick with it. Last one. Okay, box step. We're gonna go to the left first. Up, up, back, back, roll. 2 times, tap, right, left, right, left, roll, roll, speed it up. Roll, roll, tap. Good job. Tap. Yeah, girl. Make this bigger. Make that big. Come on, let's go. All right, here we go. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3. Back, step, step, Charleston, back. Now box step. 1, 2, 3, 4. Roll. Again, slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back, step, step, kick, together, box step. Right, left, right, left. Are you girls ready? 4, 3, 2, up. Box step right here. Roll it. Shuffle. Yes, nice job. Shuffle. Kick it. You choose your level. You choose the level that you want. Yeah. Yeah. All right, we're gonna put this together. 3 rounds. We're not gonna go slow. We're gonna start with that tempo, and we're gonna keep it going. Throw. Ha. That's really strong with those arms. Out. Yes, clap it up. Take it back. Jog it. Backward body roll. Hey, hey, electric slide. Turn it out. Jog left, let's go. Hey, electric slide right there. Turn it out. Grapevine, tap back. 1, 2, 3, tap back. Pull. Left, right, jack, jack. Grapevine, tap back. Arm pull, right here. Yes, get ready for that shuffle. Let's go. Tap, box step. Hip roll. Yeah. All right, from the top, let's go right here. Yes. Bring it up. Again, take it up. Jog it. Yeah. And roll it. Take it down. Maybe your level of intensity goes up. Hey, hey. Grapevine, tap back. Let's go. Pull, jack. Thanks, Sabrina. Grapevine, tap back. Arm pull. Here we go. Yes. Get ready. Shuffle. Box step. Shuffle. Let's go. Box step. Hip roll. From the top. Again, let's go. Reach. Yes. Make this your biggest one. Let's go. Jog it. Let's go. Backward roll. Take it down. Turn it out. Keep jogging. Yeah. Get ready for that grapevine. 4, 3, 2. Tap back. Arm pull. Hey. Grapevine, let's go. Tap back. Double Charleston. Kick it. Box step. Shuffle. We're going to stay with this last move, okay? This last move. So shuffle again. Yeah. Good job. I hope you had so much fun. We had an absolute blast bringing you this walk dance.